welcome back to social media. This time we're gonna be talking about the merchandising, having errors in their texts, like in the instructions of a milk brand like Alaska, and then after all there will be like the brand name of it will become Alas instead of Alaska, something like that. But you know what? I'm not just focusing about that brand, Alaska milk, but I have already seen lots of products from the merchandise that has lots of errors on it. If not lot, probably only one or two. So we're gonna be talking about that. It was for babies. It was My nephew is 4 months old when he used that, and he's still 4 months, and it says there in the instructions that children that's aged from 4 to 14. So imagine 14 years old can fit in there. It's the salbabida is not, transformable, that you can transform it into a big one. It goes the other way. The brand name says there, for example, Alaska or Nestle, something like that, or the ones making Alaska is Nestle. So in the ingredient, there it says there, made in China or made in the Philippines. It was made in the Philippines, but it was bartered to China. That's why it goes the other way around, made in the Philippines or made in China. So it more onto it, like the ingredients, there's something wrong if you're really working for in the company and you know the ingredients so well, and then when you try to check if it's all right, because you are very compatible enough to check it, because you know the ingredients, and then you try to check it just for fun, and then there's no sugar or something there in the ingredients when you try to check. So you really get complicated, that all of the facts in the prints are saved in the computer. All the computer needs to do is to print everything that was. Well, what I think for that, as in closing, is that I think that we cannot really blame the one who is creating it, because there are really times that the machines are not working properly, even though it's being checked. But once that they are selling like medicines, they should really try to make sure that their medicines are safe, because just like, for example, if a customer buys a medicine cup and then tries to buy a medicine cup but the bottle that was inside it was a medicine bottle, but inside there are the ingredients are being mixed with this kind of medicine, with this kind of medicine. Once a person who has a kind of disease that is having cough, it will get worse. What's gonna happen to the patient? Probably it will die. It depends on the situation. It depends to how harsh are the ingredients being mixed all together. Because if there is like one in the dextrose, one of the ingredients of the dextrose, and being placed there with other ingredient medicines, it will surely kill you, or if not, makes your sickness become a disease, or very fatal, that will almost try to kill you. And I think that, like, for example, that you need to be operated because this product was not working for you, so you cannot really blame the doctor, because the doctor is just the one who is trying to guide you that, all right, the medicine that you're working on that company, and one of you, there's really a possibility that you'll get prison into it, because maybe the government will change their laws. Like, if you cannot, that if you're working with that company, even though you're just in the office, you're not really one of the scientists who checks before allowing their products to sell. What if the government will say that if there is something will happen, we'll blame all of you working in that company and we'll put you to jail, we'll put you into justice? Will you not be afraid of that? So we must also focus that, government may change its ways. Like in my country, the Philippines, it might say that, oh, it's alright, as long as I'm not the owner, or one of the scientists, one of the people who checks the ingredients, even though I'm just an encoder or a messenger, anyways, my republic will not, destroy who I am if something wrong, if something will happen. Because if something will happen, if the company will be closed, I can work in other companies. I will not have bad records. What if our government will change its ways? You will not be safe. And you cannot always trust that once you're in jail, you can still go out, because you don't know what's gonna be the story behind the future plans. So that's all I can say. It's kind of long, but this is just what I think for social media, merchandising and manufacturing companies, error on their products. So until the next social media talk, this is me, Jay, signing off. Bye bye.